Hello guys, today in this video I will be showing you guys how I reorganize my closet. So if you guys would like to see how my closet looked before and how it looks now, just keep on watching. So this is the entrance to my closet from my room. So let's go in. right over here on this wall, I organized like this. Those are my most worn booties from last year, and I love them, but I cannot find them anymore. They are so comfortable. Right here, I just have random things. I'm not gonna show like my steamer, like my clothes steamer and stuff. Right here, I have all of my undergarments for when I wear dresses. Right there, undergarments for when I wear dresses. My steamer right there, and my booties. Right here, these are the only sandals that I have in my entire closet. I don't necessarily like my feet, so I don't like to show my feet, unfortunately. But those are the only sandals that I have. I love them. That's why I kept them. This is another pair of booties that I am in love with. They have lace on the back of them, and they are super tall and camel. That's my purse. And then these are this is my most recent gift from my hubby. He gifted me these pumps. They are super comfortable and beautiful. And he also gifted me my bag. Those I have had for a long time. Here is my sewing machine. Okay, so on this side, I just have this little table that I'm going to convert into like a sit cushion, like an ottoman or something like that. I hope I'm making any sense. I'm gonna move it for now. But right here, I opted to put my big mirror that I have, full-length mirror. It's not finished, as you guys can see. The edges are raw and everything, but I want to frame it and put it nicely. Hi guys. Okay, so this wall right here has all of my boots at the very top, my snow boots. I didn't use those very often this year, so I just left them up high in there. And then these purses I don't normally wear. They're way too big. I don't like big purses. Right here I just have my booties, Dr. Martens and cowgirl boots. Right here, this is my favorite purse. It's kind of like a briefcase. I don't know if you guys can see. And I use this one for church, so I love it. So my high heels, my favorite high heels. If you see that I have multiples of the same shoe, that is because when I like a shoe, I buy in multiple colors. So this is one pair. This is another pair. As you guys can see, they're different colors, but it's the same booties. These ones, I wish I could find in white, but I haven't. So if you guys know of this style of boot with a chunky heel and a pointed toe, that it is like this much tall. See, like this one is like an ankle one. I like them taller. In white, let me know so that I can research it, because I've been looking for some. These are pink, and here's another one that I have multiples of. Down here I just have my tennis shoes, tennis shoes and booties. And here's Dr. Martens that I have doubles of. Mary Jane's, I love Mary Jane's. Again, over here, Puma is my favorite brand of shoes, Puma and Nike. So you're gonna see Puma, Nikes, and then Puma again, and then Puma again, Puma, Tommy Hilfiger, and Converse. And then down here, I have all of my thigh-high boots. I just have them folded like that because I didn't know where to put them, so they look fine right there. In this little corner right here, as you guys can see, I was thinking of mounting this round shelving unit into here. kind of like right there. Right now it's just sitting against the wall on top of this container right here. So right here I just have my right here I just have my Bible, my favorite perfume. In here I just have my sticky bras. See, my little sticky bras. I put them all in here. In this one I have, oh, on this one I have my belts, as you guys can see right there. I don't want to open it. And on this one I have all of my leg warmers and thigh-high socks and socks that I don't use on a daily basis, but I have a lot of. So this is the overview of this wall. Then moving on to this side, I have my cowgirl hats right here. So on the very top, I just have random boxes, empty boxes of the shoes that I have. I like to keep the boxes because I am a very organized person, and whenever I sell a pair of shoes, I like to sell it with the box. So I always keep the ones that I know I'm not going to get rid of. Right here I just have random purses again and some bags that I thought looked pretty right there. Down here on this side, as you guys can see, it's all of my long coats and dresses. They go all the way to the bottom. And then in here I just have shirts, hoodies, blazers, everything. I don't organize. I haven't organized quite as well yet, but this is what's working for me right now. And this is my drawers. I'm not going to go in depth of what's in the drawers because I've done a video of that in the past. And then I have this chest of drawers right here, and I just have a portrait of my kids, my son right there when he was like 5 years old, and my daughter when she was 5. So I have this chest right here, and these two are mine, and these two are mine, that one and that one. The whole thing is mine, and this one is my husband's. Why is this not focusing? So right here I just put my husband's hoodies and shirts and everything up here. This is his boxes. He has an old school Nintendo and a bunch of games, so I labeled it right there. And then the area on top has more games. On this side I opted to put all of his boots. He's a cowboy, so he loves boots. And right here he just has random things he likes to collect, and then a picture of his grandparents, and then some hats right here, and his luggage because he travels a lot. And this is his safe and his cowboy hats right there. Well guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. If you would like more videos like this, let me know in the comment section what you would like me to do, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.